Now the rejects will get our revenge. Actually, I'm no longer a reject. Like I said. Wait, my little brother's a reject? Yeah, he kind of is. Hey guys! The rejects. Hey guys, I'm not a reject. Neither am I, I'm just here. Okay. Now we're all here. Mustachio. Me plant bomb. It's me, Mario! Okay. No, it seems like there's more rejects than normals, so we're just gonna kick your booty. Oh yeah? Oh! You weren't even featured in any episode. In this episode, I believe, our rainbow guy defeated. Oh, I'll get rid of someone. No, not my little brother. Must exterminate. 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 Alright, guys. I think I did it. I think I saved the world. Steve? I think Steve died. Did they know? No. Fighting move. I used high jump kick. You kept going and crashed because I used fly. What? Dude, you're hitting me at the same time. Oh. Okay. Now, where's Mario? You mean flame charge? Who's flame charge? I'll be back. Minions, get him. I was in like the 2 episodes ago and I'm gonna get my revenge. You mean flame charge? What? I'm a word? Type. At least I can use confusion and one-shot you. Or I could use side beam and one-shot you even quicker. Flame charge. Don't worry, I'll save you, Blue Yoshi. Aerial Ace. Ow. He plant bomb. He planted a bomb, by the way. What? Who? Mustachio. Did he plant it on the other team? I think he accidentally did. Because guess who's the bomb? I'm the bomb! Wait, I'm the bomb? Why was I ever rejected? Spaz. Arf. Why is life unfair? We have defeated the rejects, the rejected plushies on the Redbird Show. The Redbird Show. 1, 2, do 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 do. Flame charge. Well, we won. Flame charge. No. Water gun. Yup.